So let's build our own URL to find out the weather in our current city. For this, you will need to log in to get your API key. So copy your API key. I'm going to open a new tab just to put it here. And let's get back to our API documentation and for current weather documentation. And I'm going to copy this base example URL here. Let's create a new tab. I'm going to paste it here. And where it says API key, I'm going to take this and replace the API key word with my API key. And then if you look closer, it has like a city equals, and I'm going to put my city name, Nicosia, and then comma, and then you need to use your country shortcode. I'm in Cyprus, so it's a CY here. And the rest, I'm not changing. Whatever we copied is going to be straight away. So we provide only the city, country, and our API key. Hit enter. And instead of seeing this, unless you have a JSON plugin, you are going to see a long bunch of lines without breaking down them into nice JSON tree. So what you can do, go to, depending on your, if you are using Safari, Chrome, or Mozilla, or any other browser, just search for JSON viewer for your browser. And I'm currently using a Safari here, and the plugin is available for Safari. And you can download it, extensions here. And for Chrome, I'm sure available as well. You can select JSON. Yeah, I think I'm using this JSON, this JSON Lite here, which is installed. So let's get back. Once you have it installed, my Safari crashed, looks like. So once you have it installed, you will be able to, whenever you see a JSON tree, your browser will automatically list them properly here. So let's see what we are getting for my city here. Let's see, let's just close this one. So we have our time zone here, it's Asia, and then it goes Famagusta area. We have the pressure, the RH, I don't remember what this means, but what we are interested in is the part here, which weather and icon, and also the description, so it's clear sky. Then we have the timestamp, this is a unique based timestamp. And we have country code, which is the Cyprus. Let me just close this one because it's annoying. Cancel. We have our wind direction, which is west. We have our sunrise time, daytime, and let's see what else we have. Snow, wind direction, elevation angle. This is not useful for us. The city name it provides, and the sunset time. We're going to use the temperature, of course, most important. So it's 10 degrees in Celsius. As you remember, this is our default. We didn't change it in any way. The up temp is how it feels. Sometimes the temperature is 10, but it feels like 8 or it feels like 12. So the up temperature shows how it feels like. Right, so this is the station information from where we receive the weather data, which is not really valuable for us. So we are going to use some only like city name, sunrise, sunset time, the weather, temperature, how it feels, the date, the time of the weather information we received, the icon, and the information about our weather. So it's the description here. So what we need to do in our program now is whenever we call this URL, we are going to receive a JSON like this. So we need to write some function that will take all this information and convert it to a nice class of our current weather so we can use it in order to display the information in our application.